Hello everyone! Now we will start online Japanese culture lesson 10. This lesson's topic is jinja, shrine, and tera, temple. Here are a few words related to shrine and temple. There are many shrines and temples in Japan. Have you ever been to a shrine or temple? What did you do when you were there? And how do you think shrines differ from temples? This is jinja, Shinto shrine. Let's read it together. Jinja, jinja. The jinja is a structure whose main purpose is to house one or more kami, the deities of the Shinto religion, which is unique to Japan. There is a gateway at the entrance to a Shinto shrine called torii. Shinto shrines are considered the homes of Japanese gods. Shrines are sometimes called taisha, grand shrine, jingu, etc. This is tera, temple. Let's read it together. Tera, tera. Tera is a place of worship for Buddhists. Buddhist statues and graves are located in tera. Tera is a place where Buddhist monks live, study, and practice Buddhist doctrine. They are also called jiin. This word is Shinto. Shinto, Shinto. Shinto is a religion that originated in Japan. Shinto deities include the gods of the sea, the gods of the mountain, the gods of the wind and other natural things and phenomena, the gods of food, clothing, shelter, and livelihood, as well as the gods of the earth. Because the number of gods in Japan is huge, it is said that there are 8 million gods. It is believed that Shinto is the national religion of Japan and has become part of the daily life of the Japanese people. Shinto events can be found everywhere in everyday life. For example, in Hatsumode, New Year's visits to shrines. Yakuyoke, the ceremony to scare away evil spirits. Hatsumiya Maeri, the child's first visit for the sanctuary of his patron deity, usually when the child is about 30 days old. Shichigo-san, 753 Festival, weddings and foundation laying ceremonies. This is a Bukkyo, Buddhism. Bukkyo, Bukkyo. Buddhism is a religion that originated in India. It is based on the teachings of Buddha. Unlike Shintoism, Buddha in fact has no object of faith. This is due to the fact that the goal is to achieve enlightenment and liberation through spiritual practice. What shrines and temples have you visited? This word is osaisen, money offering. Osaisen, osaisen. Osaisen is offering money to God or Buddha as a sign of gratitude for the fulfillment of a wish. Commonly, this money is put in a saisen box, saisen bako, a common item at Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples in Japan. In the case of shrines, you give money to express your gratitude to God. In the case of temples, you give money to give up your own desires. Here are a few phrases that are often used when visiting temples and shrines. The first step is gassho, put your palms together. Let's read it together. Gassho, gassho. Gassho means put hands together. Second one is hakushu, clap hands. Let's read it together. Hakushu, hakushu. Hakushu means to clap both hands together. Next is ichirei, one bow. Let's read it together. Ichirei, ichirei. Ichirei means one bow. When visiting the shrine, the way to worship is 2礼、2拍手、1礼. Bow twice, clap your hands twice, and bow once. Here is how to do it. Let's see how our Japanese teacher did it.
「このような動きです」
And now, let's have a quiz. Rearrange the movements when praying in a shrine in the correct order. 1 and 8 are set. Please rearrange 2 to 7 yourself. Here are the answers. 1. Bow in front of the torii gate. 7. Wash your hands with clean water. 4. Stand in front of the building and ring the bell. 2. Put money in an offertory box to express your gratitude. 6. Bow twice, clap your hands twice, and bow once. 3. Put your hands together and make a wish. 5. Make a final bow. 8. Bow down in front of the torii gate. I will explain a little about point 7. Wash your hands with clean water. Shrines are considered places where gods dwell, so when entering or leaving the shrine, bow to the torii. Before visiting the shrine, clean your hands and mouth at the chozuya, booths with water to cleanse your hands and mouth. It represents to remove dirt from your body and make yourself clean. These are ways of worship at the shrines. When visiting a temple, unlike a shrine, you don't clap at all. Make a wish, holding outstretched palms together, and bow. After finishing praying, bow again. When do you visit shrines and temples? What do you do there? Here is the summary for this lesson. We studied about shrines and temples. Let's read often used words together again. Shinto, 八百万の神々。仏教、お賽銭。合掌、拍手。一礼、二礼、二拍手、一礼。That's all for today's lesson. Thank you very much.